Heavenly God, I come to you feeling the weight of bills, repairs, and responsibilities I can't carry alone. You see every leak, every broken place, every quiet worry that keeps me up at night. You know what I need, even before I ask. Father, make a way where there feels like no way. Open doors of provision, unexpected help, and financial breakthrough. Send the right people, the right resources, at the right time. Replace my stress with peace. Replace fear with faith. Remind me that I am not forgotten. Bless my home, whether I own it or rent it. Let it be covered, protected, and filled with your presence. I trust you to provide, restore, and sustain me. In Jesus Christ's name, amen.